In our last tutorial, we covered creating a text input component. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the task of updating NX. NX releases a new major version every couple of months, bringing the latest features and best practices to your repository. Luckily, NX provides some great tooling to automatically migrate us to the latest version of NX without us having to perform any manual steps. So if we take a look in package.json, we can see there is an update task. So let's go ahead and run that. This will take several minutes to run. NX has just fetched all the latest versions of the packages and gathered the information required to migrate us to the latest versions. First thing we want to do is run npm install so that the latest versions of these packages all get installed. npm has finished installing the packages. Next, we want to actually apply the automatic migrations. We can see that there's a migrations.json file that has been added to the root of our repository. This lists all the things that NX is going to automatically migrate for us. You can see there are quite a number of migrations, but luckily we don't have to do any of these ourselves. NX can take care of that for us. We simply run npm run nx migrate -- run migrations. NX is now finished running the automatic migrations, and we can look at our source control tab and see lots of files have been changed. It has went and edited things like our ESLint configuration, our JS configs, things like that there. What we can now do is delete the migrations.json file. That is no longer required. And what we want to do is verify that our schematics are all working as expected. These don't tend to get migrated automatically, but we can just verify that there's no issues here. Okay, so first thing we want to do is change this import. This has been renamed to Angular Stories Generator. And then in our generate library, we can remove this. And we need to add a linter. And that has now updated our generators so that they should work in NX12. Lastly, what we want to do is update our workspace configuration file. So you'll notice all of our projects are listed in this file, and they have all the configuration in this file. Whenever you're working with multiple people, this can be the source of lots of merge conflicts. So to avoid this, NX have now decided to break these into separate files. So this format still will work. However, in NX 13 and onwards, this will no longer be the default structure. Luckily, there's a way we can automatically update our project to use the new format. If we go to NX console and generate and go to convert to NX project, simply tick the all flag and hit run. You'll now notice that it creates a project.json file in each library that we've created, which contains the configuration, and it has updated workspace.json to simply refer to the path of each library rather than containing the configuration in there. Now that we've run that, all we need to do is verify that our components still build successfully. Okay, our library's built successfully. Now let's check if Storybook still runs as expected. Now, you may encounter this error, in which case we need to run npm install again after the migrations have finished running, as we're missing a package. Now that we have run npm install, let's try running that again. And we can see our Storybook is built successfully. and we have our buttons. So that is our project now updated to NX 12.5, and we'll continue in the next tutorial with another component. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and check out my next tutorial.